Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am LeeSaem and today let's learn simple and easy Korean with me. Today's lesson about Korean sentences that are very easy but necessary. It's a sentence with one or two words, so don't think about the grammar and practice it often, then you can speak Korean very easily. And let's get started. 고맙습니다. 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 This should be memorized. When you want to thanks to your boss or teacher or someone you first met, then you can say 고맙습니다. 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 Can you repeat after me? Very good. Next, 미안합니다. 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 This is polite form of I'm sorry. 미안합니다. 미안합니다. Can you repeat after me? Very good. 가요. 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 This is polite form of let's go. 요 is super useful expressions to make a polite form. Simply adjust intonation, you can express a declarative sentence, a question sentence, and let's do something with 요. 가요, 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 가요. Can you repeat after me? Very good. Next sentence is 저도요. 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 This is polite form of me too. 저 is polite form of I. 도 also. 요 is sentence ending to make a polite form. We have a company dinner at work. 회사에서 회식을 해요. Korean companies often eat together. This is called 회식. Then someone will ask, what would you like to eat? 뭐 드실래요? I like spaghetti. 전 스파게티요. Me too. 저도요. 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 Can you repeat after me? Very good. 동의합니다. 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 This is polite form of I agree. When we have a meeting, we use it to agree to other person's opinion. 동의하다, agree. 입니다, polite form. 동의합니다. 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 Can you repeat after me? Very good. 실례합니다. 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 This is very useful expression. You can use this 실례합니다 in various situations. For example, when you're in the elevator, there are a lot of people in this elevator and you have to get off now. Then you can say 실례합니다. Excuse me. 실례합니다. Okay? Or I want to ask someone for directions. Then 실례합니다. Excuse me. 화장실이 어디예요? Where is the bathroom? Okay, please repeat after me. 실례합니다. 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 Very good. 문제 없어요. 문제 없어요. 문제 없어요. This is polite form of no problem. I have an exam. The teacher asks if I am studying well for the exam. 시험 공부 잘 돼요? Then 문제 없어요. 문제 없어요. Can you repeat after me? 문제 없어요. Very good. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. This is polite form of see you. 다음, next time. at. 봐, see you. polite form. 다음에 봐요. See you. 다음에 봐요. 다음에 봐요. Can you repeat after me? Very good. 왜 안 돼요? 왜 안 돼요? 왜 안 돼요? This is polite form of why not? 왜, why, 안, not. 돼요 means become. And 요 is polite form. 엄마, 저 클럽 갈래요. Mom, I want to go to club. 안 돼. No. 왜 안 돼요? Why not? 왜 안 돼요? 왜 안 돼요? Or something is not working. 왜 안 돼요? 왜 안 돼요? Why is not working? 왜 안 돼요? Can you repeat after me? Very good. 조용히 해주세요. 조용히 해주세요. 조용히 해주세요. This is polite form of be quiet. 조용히 quiet. 해 do 주세요. Please. 조용히 해주세요. 조용히 해주세요. When you're in the theater, the people next to me is very noisy. Then 조용히 해주세요. 조용히 좀 해주세요. Please be quiet. 조용히 해주세요. 조용히 해주세요. Can you repeat after me? Very good. Today we have learned 10 expressions. It may be hard to remember everything at once, so please think that we'll remember some of these and repeat them comfortably. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if it was helpful, please press subscribe and like button, and please share this video with your friends a lot. Next time, I will introduce you on easy and simple Korean sentences. See you next time. 다음에 봐요. Bye. 안녕.